Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to try out this kit. This is from BareMinerals. The main reason I want to try out this one is because it's bronzer. I heard so many good things about this bronzer, and this kit contains that bronzer. Let's just try it out. Plus, there is this Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. I have used this one a long time ago, but this used to be my all-time favorite tinted moisturizer. I don't remember I used to call it Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. Maybe they changed the name. I don't know if they changed the formula or anything. It has been a while since I have used this hydrating gel cream. So let's see if it is still good or not. And yeah, so this whole kit retails for $38, and the value of this is $57. For this hydrating gel cream, you can pick your own shade and you can customize it, but the price will be still included in the kit. The color I picked is Bamboo 5.5. So yeah, this is a tinted moisturizer. Let's get closer and get started. So on my face, I only have moisturizer, and let's just open this, and this is sealed. Good. Whenever I see a sealed product, that just make me feel better. So this is how it's like definitely a cream consistency, as you can see. Wow, that's a not bad coverage, right? Okay, so that's how it looks like on my hand. It looks very hydrating. Not a matte finish for sure. You can still see some luminosity. Smells like nothing. It doesn't have any scent in there. Let's just put this on my face. I think this color works. This tinted moisturizer, even though it looks kind of oily, but it feels nice. If you're a big fan of tinted moisturizer, you know some of those, if they are not good, you can feel the gritty feeling on your face, and sometimes it kind of shed and balled up on your face. But this one just feels very creamy and smooth when you apply on your face. Now I remember the feeling. Why this has been my all-time favorite. I've been reviewing a lot of tinted moisturizer during the summer, and this one is definitely the top. Okay, so you can see this side without anything, and this side is the application. It gives you that luminosity. Even though it looks oily, it's weird. It looks oily, but I don't feel oily. And on my face, it feels very hydrating. Like a good hydrating moisturizer. Oh, it feels so nice. Okay, let's just finish this side of the face. I think when people choose tinted moisturizer, they don't want to use any tools. They don't want to use beauty blender or brush or anything. They just want to be quick and with your fingertips. So I think the touch of the product is very important. Like, it has to feel so good from the touch. This tinted moisturizer just feels so good from your fingertips and to your face. Just overall feels very hydrating. You can definitely use some kind of setting powder. I will see after I apply some concealer, and I will know if I needed some setting powder. I have combination, sometimes combination oily, sometimes just combination. So if you have dry skin, then this one is like so good. Okay, now I'm going to use some concealer and see if I need some powder. I'll be back. Okay, concealer applied nicely on top. I don't feel like I need a matte setting powder to make it matte. It just feels very hydrating and just looks more awake. I kind of dig this look today. So I'm not going to use any setting powder underneath my eyes, and this is just concealer and with the gel cream. This is so good. Oh my god. You have to try this. If you are like me, you like tinted moisturizer, give this one a go. Try this. Trust me, try this. I can't believe The coverage I thought would be not that much, but with a little help of a concealer, you can definitely achieve the medium coverage. I like it a lot. Okay, let's get to the bronzer. Oh, it's a very tiny packaging. I think this is the bronzer. Yep, this is the bronzer. Kind of more towards cool tone bronzer. I'm more used to warm tone bronzer. Cool tone bronzer just on my face seems kind of muddy, kind of dirty looking. That's why I'm not into that. And let's look at this blush. Oh, this blush is nice. Let's just swatch this. Ooh, super creamy. And it's not too pigmented. For blush, I don't want it to be too pigmented. I have to spend hours there just blending this away to make it sheer. Why not just make it sheer and easy to blend? Just blush, you don't need that pigmentation, right? So nice. And also not totally matte. Has kind of a sheen to it. Okay, let's try on the face. First, let's try the bronzer, of course. Let's swatch the bronzer. So this is the color. Oh, it's warm tone. Nice. Woo. Got scared there a little bit. Okay, let's. Wow, so smooth. And kind of blurring. I don't think you have a choice to choose the shade of the bronzer. I think they only have one shade. And if you have darker skin tone, this might not work for you. But if you have light or medium skin tone like me, or even lighter than me, you will love this bronzer. Oh, I love this bronzer. I already love 2 out of 3 products. I would say this kit is definitely worth for me at this point. Yeah, this bronzer is definitely matte, but combined with this hydrating gel cream luminosity, this is just so perfect. So perfect. You guys might know at this point, I love all mini makeup packaging. It's so easy to carry around, and you always use somewhat fresh makeup instead of always using the old ones. For me, I'm always looking forward to new makeup. That's why everything mini is best for me. It's my friend. So yeah, this one is mini, and this is how the shade looks on my face, as you can see. Love it. Okay, now let's see the blush. If I love this blush, this will be like a total win for me. This rarely happens. I love all the things in this kit. Look at that. It's so nice. I don't have to worry about dipping my brush into it. Even though like I dip it a few times, it's like nothing on the brush. I love it. And applied beautifully. So smooth. Perfect. Alright, so everything I love. Now this is a total winning kit for me. I'm definitely going to keep this. This so far is my top #1 tinted moisturizer. #1 at this point. I don't know if it is because it's new. They might upgrade it formula. I don't remember this to be this good. Yeah, this is highly recommended. All right, yeah, this is all the 3 products I choose. All of these cost $38. I think it's totally worth it. if you want to try a new bronzer. And plus this is all mini size, so you don't have to worry about not finishing it or anything, it goes bad or anything. And I think the bronzer is good for 12 months. And this blush is good for 12 months as well. For this gel cream, there is no expiration date. I definitely think I will be finishing this in 12 months. So there's no doubt for that. Okay, yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just pick this up if you like tinted moisturizer, if you want to try new bronzer. And this bronzer is so good, so good. I think it's better than the NARS Laguna bronzer, in my opinion. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!